Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Isuzu Motors India. They are a very underrated company and they have very massive and muscular cars. One of them is a pickup truck, and if I have to describe it in keywords, then there are three S words, and they are S for strong, S for sporty, and again S for stylish. Of course, you guessed it right. The car is none other than the V-Cross D-Max pickup truck from Isuzu. This car is a very muscular car, and Isuzu has been telling the new car is coming. We saw many pictures of it, we saw the new design, but today Isuzu revealed the brochure. So I'm gonna show you. This is the brochure of the car. Some people like to read it and understand, and some like to hear it and understand. The people who like to read can pause this video, and people who don't want to read can continue. This is the second page of the brochure, so you can also pause over here. So the people who wanna hear and understand, let's get started with the engine options. So the engine options of the new Isuzu BS6 is a 1.9 liter turbo engine which produces a 161 brake horsepower and torque of 360 Nm. And this car is also available in 4x2 and 4x4. The base model will be a 4x2 and the top model a 4x4. If I talk about the transmissions, you get a 6-speed automatic gearbox and a 6-speed manual gearbox. The manual will be launched a few months after its launch, I'm not sure. And talking about the exterior design and its highlights, first things first, what you notice is that you get a new grille which has a lot of chrome treatment, and in the middle you get Isuzu branding. Second of all, you get projector headlamps which are LED with a turn indicator, and you even have chrome insert on the fog lamp. The fog lamp is halogen, I guess. It can also be LED. The bumpers are not dual tone, it's body colored. At the side, you don't get much changes. You have an 18-inch alloy wheels, dual tone alloy wheels. Because this is quite tall and high position car, you get footsteps. Above you have chrome door handles, chrome finished ORVMs, roof rails, blacked out windows, and at the rear you get the usual design like the lights, which may be halogen. I'm not sure if they are LEDs, but hope it's LEDs because it will look really cool. You even have V-Cross D-Max badging, a huge Isuzu branding with a chrome door handle above, dot bumpers, and this is the look of the rear glass. Front you get disc brakes, and at the back you get drum brakes. They should have provided rear disc brakes. And if I talk about the dimensions, the length is 5295 mm, width is 1864 mm, and the height is 1840 mm. Now talking about the interior design, this is the look of the interior design, and this same interior is also in the spied image of the car, the one which is spotted. You have an automatic transmission, gloss black finished AC vents, light controls, an armrest, and a handbrake, two cup holders at the side. And the center dashboard should have been more detailed and better because it looks very outdated and boring. You have two AC vents in the middle, one touchscreen which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto maybe, and below you have a climate control, start stop button, and on the steering you have audio mounted controls, even cruise control is available, and on the door panel you have soft touches and hard touches. There are also hard plastics used. You have white element, and the back seat is not very spacious. Middle you also have an armrest. You even have cruise control, which will only be available in the top model, request sensor, start stop button, which may be standard, automatic climate control, and above you get a touchscreen which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you even have 6-way adjustable driver seat, which is only available in the top model. For the base model, you get manually adjustable driver seat. Now, if I talk about the safety features of this car, in the top model you get 6 airbags, in the base model you get 2 airbags, ABS, EBD, ESP, traction control system, hill start assist, hill descent control, rear parking sensors with a rear parking camera. So guys, that was it for today. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more video. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.